Welcome to another exciting tutorial on game development. In this video, we're going to explore how to create a simple 2D player movement using the Pygame library. This will serve as a foundation for building more complex games in the future. Let's dive right in. Here I have a very basic setup of Pygame. Basically here we create our main display surface and I have two variables in it, width and height. Width is 1000 pixels and height is 500 pixels. In our main game loop we only check if the game is closed. We fill the screen with white color. First define variables x and y, with the values half of the width and height. Define rect, which is our player. Define its width, height and x, y positions as given. Next define rect1 and rect2. Define its width, height and x, y positions as given. Draw rects in main game loop, as given in the video. You can change color of rects in main game loop as you like. Define variable velocity of value 1. This is the velocity of player. And create a variable gravity of value 0.5. This is the gravity applied on player. Next define variables rect width and rect height, which has the width and height for collision of player with screen borders. Next in main game loop create a variable keys, which gets the state of all keys. Update the position of the main rectangle on key presses by given code. Next apply the gravity to rect y as shown in the code. Next write the code for rect collision with screen borders, as shown in the video. Now the code looks like this. The output may look like this, but between player and rects there is no collision. Let's add the collision between them. Now see the following code to achieve collision response for player rect with other two rects. The full code is shown in the video, and the output is shown in video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Comment for motivation.